Welcome to effortless inner-city living, just moments from the heart of Perth. This fully furnished apartment offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and lifestyle. Inside, you'll find a bright open-plan living and dining area, a well-appointed kitchen with quality appliances, and a spacious bedroom complete with mirrored built-in robes. Step out onto your private balcony and enjoy leafy views of Kings Park, with glimpses of the Perth skyline creating the perfect backdrop. Whether you're a first home buyer, investor, or looking for a lock and leave city base, this apartment is designed for easy, low-maintenance living. Residents also enjoy access to resort-style amenities, including a swimming pool, fully equipped gym, and tennis courts, all while being just minutes from the Perth CBD, Elizabeth Quay, cafés, restaurants, public transport, and the Swan River. Don't miss this exceptional opportunity to secure your place in one of Perth's most convenient locations. Contact Sean McConnon today to arrange your private inspection.